Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love to try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and home decor shopping all on a budget, this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. Today's video is going to be a dupes video. Pottery Barn versus the dollar stores. Yes, you heard me, Pottery Barn versus the dollar store. So we're gonna go in store and look at the fall and harvest collections at the Dollar Tree, at Family Dollar, and I think Dollar General, and see what we can find that are similar dupes to items that I have seen at Pottery Barn. And guys, do I have you covered? So if you want to save money and you still want to put on a really luscious looking Thanksgiving tablescape for your friends and family for Thanksgiving, well, make sure you keep watching, tap that subscribe button, and become a member of the family, because you do not want to miss any of the upcoming videos where I show you fall and harvest, just holiday tablescape inspirations in general, all on a budget. Now let's go shopping. So right off the bat, one of the first things I spotted was this pumpkin jar. Pottery Barn sells theirs for around $40 to $60, but when they're on sale, you can pick them up for around $27 for the smaller ones and $40 for the larger ones. Now, I recently showed you a candle or a jar that I picked up from the Goodwill that I turned into a candle to be similar to this one that is sold at Pottery Barn. You can pick this one up for $10, which is a steal of a deal at the Dollar General. I also saw this cutting board at the Dollar General. Again, very nice and similar to this set at Pottery Barn, which you can find for $160 to $180. And the Dollar General has this one for just $10. You can also find some really nice outdoor doormats at the Dollar General. Like this one here was $8, and a similar doormat you can find at Pottery Barn from anywhere from $30 to $60. I also saw these really pretty faux Mercury glass pumpkins that you can pick up for $5, as well as these clear plastic ones for just $1. Again, very similar to the pumpkins that we saw at Pottery Barn. I also spotted these pumpkin mugs that were just $3. Perfect match to the ones here at Pottery Barn that will cost you a lot more. I also spotted these plush pumpkin pillows that were just $5. And those pumpkin pillows at Pottery Barn would run you anywhere from $60 to $70. So the Dollar General has you covered. You cannot beat those prices. As you can see, you can also find these really cute mugs at the Family Dollar. These little owl ones and the pumpkin ones are so cute. Again, very similar to the ones at Pottery Barn. All right, guys, as you can see, do not sleep on your local dollar stores. We found lots of awesome dupes at the Dollar General that were very similar to the items at Pottery Barn. And we can pick those up and save ourselves a ton of money. So do not sleep on your local dollar stores. Now, let's get into the dinnerware. I told you we were looking for dinnerware that were dupes to Pottery Barn, and guys, did I score. So I went to the Dollar General. Normally you can find some really good dupes at the Dollar General for the Pottery Barn dinnerware. I was able to find this set of white ribbed dinnerware at the Dollar General. Each piece was $2 versus one plate at Pottery Barn that would cost you $11. And you could pick up a set of 4 from Pottery Barn, whereas at the Dollar General, you can pick up a complete place setting for $6 for the cost of just that one set of 4 from Pottery Barn. You can find them at the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. So you see these really pretty pumpkin plates here at Pottery Barn, and guys, for just a set of 4, you're going to pay around $40. Well, I found our dupe at the Dollar Tree, and this is our plate. Look at this, for just $1.25. Again, very similar to our Pottery Barn inspired piece. This would be a great dupe for $1.25. So of course I had to pick it up, and you can see it here on the table, and I have paired it with a gold or brassy gold charger that I picked up from Target for just $9.99. And I don't think I paid that much for it. I think I probably had like a Target Circle offer. So if you were looking for those brass chargers, they still have them. Make sure you check your Target Circle app to see if you have any discounts, and make sure you go run and pick those up because they're very versatile. And again, at $9.99, very similar to the ones here from Pottery Barn. Even though they're not from the Dollar Tree, they're from a dollar store, they're from Target, still $9.99 is a better price than the ones here at Pottery Barn. Now, Pottery Barn also had some different colored dinnerware that is black and white. You guys know I love decorating in black and white. And again, very pricey. So I was able to find this dinnerware dupe from the Family Dollar, and it was just $2 for this plate. Look how nice that is. Again, very similar to our Pottery Barn dupe, and I'll put up a photo here, but we just paid $2, and I have it paired here with a black plate that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Look how nice that looks. Again, very affordable. So this place setting only cost us $3 compared to a place setting that we would pick up from Pottery Barn. Now, Pottery Barn also has, I want to say, eclectic type of dinnerware. They have like turkeys on them, and I don't know, just little scenes in general. So I was looking for something like that. I'm probably going to have to go to a thrift store to find something similar to that. But I showed you guys a few weeks ago these little wheat plates that I found, and I thought they were perfect. Not the exact same design style as the one at Pottery Barn, but still gives us kind of that look and feel. And I have it paired here with a plate that I picked up from the Goodwill. These two together I think will be a very nice and beautiful fall tablescape. So guys, that is what I have for you today. I want to show you a full tablescape, but I can't at the moment. My kitchen is in disarray. So I will show you a full tablescape and how you can get that designer luxe look for less, your Pottery Barn inspired tablescapes. That is all coming up. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStyle family. I have lots of fall decorating content coming up for you guys, as well as Christmas inspired content. And I can't wait to show you what I picked up over the weekend. I was going to show you in this video, but I wanted to bring out my fall inspiration because it's coming up next, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one.